Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is Alauddin Victoria, lecturer in English, Sulabi College. Welcome you all in online class. Hope that you are all well by the grace of Allah. I am also fine. However, I will discuss about SHC English second paper of class 12. Today's topic is narration. What is narration? Definition: the art of reporting the words of a speaker is called narration. There are two main ways of reporting the speech of a speaker. One, direct speech. Two, indirect speech. Definition of direct speech. Direct speech is the exact speech said by the speaker which is put within quotation marks. There are two parts of direct speech. One is reporting part and the other is reported speech. Reporting part is the part which is out of the inverted comma. Reported speech is the part which is within the inverted commas. I will discuss in detail the rules of sense of pronoun. Rule 1. First person pronoun of reported speech is changed according to the subject of reporting verb. Rule 2. Second person pronoun of reported speech is changed according to subject of reporting verb. Rule 3. Third person pronoun of reported speech is not changed. Now I will discuss about rule 1, 2 and 3. Example of rule 1. He said to me, I went to college. I, first person, and he, third person. I, in place of him. He told me that he had gone to college. Example of rule 2. I said to him, you will do it. You will be changed into him in place of him. I told him that he would do it. Example of rule 3. I said to the boy, he will leave today. I told the boy that he would leave that day. Rules of sense of verb or tense. Direct, indirect. Present indefinite tense changes to past indefinite tense. Present continuous tense changes to past continuous tense. Present perfect tense changes to past perfect tense. Present perfect continuous tense changes to past perfect continuous tense. Past indefinite tense changes to past perfect tense. Past continuous tense changes past perfect continuous. Shall, should, will, would, may, might, must, have to or has to, can, could.
Yes.
Now I will discuss the rules of change of time. get speech, indirect speech. Now changes to then. Today changes to that day. Yesterday changes to the previous day. Tomorrow changes to the following day. Come, go, that, should, ago, before, this, that, did, those, here, changes to there. Rules of change of in narration of different type of sentences. Type number 1, assertive sentence. Reporting verb is changed said to tell or said to told. Plus if object has plus put conjunction that in place of inverted comma plus pronouns and verbs are changed according to the set rule of narration. Example of assertive sentence: Father said to his son, he will read attentively. Father told his son that he would read attentively. Told instead of said. That in place of inverted comma. He in place of you. Would in place of will, read attentively. Extra rule of assertive sentence. If repeating verb is given in present or future tense, then there will be no change in the verb of repeated speech. He says he performs on the stage. Then he says that he no change of perform on the stage. Second rule: if repeated speech has universal truth or habitual fact, then there is no change in the tense. Father said the earth is round. Father said that the earth is round. Here there is no change of it. Rule third: if repeated speech has some immediate condition, then there is no change in the tense. He said, if I were rich, I would have him. He said that if he instead of I, there is no change of where. Rich, he instead of I, there is no change of would and him. Type 2, interrogative sentence. Rule 1: if question is called with the help of any of the helping verbs, then repeating verb is changed said to asked. Plus inverted comma is to be replaced by if or whether, plus change of pronouns and verbs according to the shape of narration. Example: the teacher said to the student, "Have you prepared your lessons?" The teacher asked the student if, instead of inverted comma, he instead of you, had instead of have, prepare his instead of your lessons. The teacher asked the student if he had prepared his lessons. Rule 2. If question is formed with the help of words starting with WH word, like why, which, when, where, how, whom, then repeating verb is changed, said to asked, plus to replace inverted comma, no conjunction is used, plus pronouns and verbs are changed according to the set rule of narration. Example: I said to him, "Why did you not come yesterday?" I asked him why he had not come the previous day. Had instead of did. Gone instead of come. The previous day instead of yesterday. Today's class is over. See you then. Wish you good luck. See you again next class. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home, be safe. Allah Hafiz.